Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to restock inventory in Tracmor. There are two ways to do it, so let's get started. First, on your dashboard, look at the side menu on the left. Find Inventory, and click the drop-down. In the list, you'll see an option for Restock Inventory. Click on that, and it will take you to the Restock Inventory screen. On the Restock Inventory screen, there are two ways to add restock inventory: add individual inventory and bulk restock inventory. Let's go through each one. First, let's look at add individual inventory. Fill in the required fields marked with a red asterisk, then click Save. This method is great if you only have a few items to restock. Now, let's look at bulk restock inventory. For larger restocks, we can use bulk restock inventory. This requires a template file, so click the icon in the top right corner to download it. Once you've downloaded the file, open it in Excel or your preferred spreadsheet program. Enter the quantities you want to add for each item, along with the location. Remember, any dates should be in the format. When you're done, save the file. Next, upload your saved file in bulk restock inventory, and click on Upload, and now Tracmor will process it. And if there are any issues, you'll see a skipped records file. Just click the icon on the right, next to the download button, to review any skipped items and make adjustments as needed. And that's it. You now know how to restock inventory in Tracmor, whether it's for individual items or in bulk. Thanks for watching.